So one thing that I do not do is that I do not work out on my days that I work. There's a lot of people, and kudos to them, who will get up and they will work out in the morning before their shift, like really early. And I could be one of those people because my shift doesn't start till 9. Could easily do that. But I like sleep a little bit too much, and when I'm doing 3 in a row, which my schedule coordinator is gracious enough to let me do 3 in a row because that's my preference, all of my energy is spent just sleeping and keeping up on those days in a row. So that being said, if you are one of those people or healthcare workers who can get it and work out before your shift or even after, kudos to you, because I most certainly cannot. I am gonna go work out. I usually will either do hot Pilates or hot yoga or join my husband at the YMCA. So I will schedule all my workouts a week before, or like a week in advance at least. The last day before my 3 shifts in a row. So I'm gonna go to hot Pilates, which is an hour long. And then over the weekend, I will also have a hot Pilates workout as well as a hot yoga workout. And then I might go to the gym with my husband or do an at-home workout. So overall, I usually work out 3 times a week, and I'm very consistent with that, and scheduling ahead is super helpful. So yeah, anyways, I am gonna make my way downtown and get a workout in. Okay, so I got home from my workout, took a quick shower, my hair is still wet, but now I'm going to meal prep my meals for the week. I work 3 days in a row. I have enough time to eat breakfast in the morning. I usually make coffee and eat breakfast in the morning, but I will bring lunch and dinner. Since my shift is from 9 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. And there's usually kind of a lull in the evening, I have enough time to eat both lunch and dinner. And it can get really pricey eating in the cafeteria. So making my own food, 1, keeps me healthy, and then 2, keeps me from spending excess money. So I'm gonna show you guys what I usually bring with me. This mayo is like honestly the best, and I get it from Costco, but literally there's avocado oil, organic eggs, organic egg yolks, organic vinegar, sea salt, and rosemary. That's it, and it lasts a good long time. And then I do add some of this Chipotle mayo to my sandwiches, just because it gives it a little bit more flavor, and it's so good. If you like something spicy, this is really good. Probably saw that I only packed 2 days worth of lunches and dinners, and that is because hopefully tomorrow we'll have broccoli cheddar soup, which I can take on the 3rd day and just have a little variety. Plus I have to wash these little bags in between, so one of these days I will do the dishes in between my shifts, and then I'll have more containers to use. Bringing a pesto pasta that has tomatoes and chicken in it, and then also I have gluten-free bread that I bring, and then little sandwiches that I make. And then I try to have fiber and protein. I probably get in roughly 50 grams of protein a day, which is not a lot compared to some people, but because I try to mix it with fiber and stuff, it's a healthy balance for me, and it's not like I'm trying to, gain too much muscle. So anyways, I'm just gonna pack what I've got and go from there. And it's just nice to have my lunch and dinner already made in advance, because then I don't have to think about it in the morning, and I can kind of have a slow wake up in the morning, and it's just one less thing that I have to do that day. And that's it.
Piss for the win. My Aunt Lynn got this for me, so Aunt Lynn, if you're watching this, thank you for my Christmas present. It literally keeps my coffee hot until like 1 o'clock. So right now it is 8:30 and let's get out of here. Day 2. I just finished my 3rd shift in a row. Yesterday is now the weekend, and I've just spent my evening / afternoon cleaning up the house and kind of resetting so that tomorrow, my Sunday, can be an actual day of rest. I am on call tonight, so I will make a separate video about doing a 12-hour night shift call. So you guys can stick around and hopefully see that next. But yeah, my 3 days went pretty well. I surprisingly feel pretty energized. I don't feel exhausted or completely beaten. I did sleep in just a little bit this morning and just kind of took the day off, and now I'm catching up on home stuff. So I hope you guys found this video interesting. If you're a nurse and have ever done 3 shifts in a row, let me know down below and how you prepare for that. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe so that you can actually be notified when I post videos. And that just helps me out too in the algorithm. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'll see you all in the next video. Chuchuanana. See you later.